Passive-aggressive? No. Passive-negative. Mastering passive voice in negatives. Hello, language learners. Today, we're delving into the world of English grammar with an intriguing topic, the passive voice. More specifically, we're going to tackle how to form negative statements in the passive voice. By the end of this video, you'll be confidently crafting sentences in the negative passive voice. Before we start forming negative sentences in the passive voice, let's briefly refresh what passive voice is. In a passive voice sentence, the object of an action becomes the subject of the sentence. For example, instead of saying, John broke the vase, active voice, we could say, the vase was broken by John, passive voice. In English, we usually make sentences negative by adding the word not after the auxiliary or modal verb. If there's no auxiliary or modal verb, we use do, does, did plus not. For instance, I do not like apples, or she does not go to the gym. Now, let's shift those negative sentences to the passive voice. This might seem tricky at first, but with a little practice, you'll get the hang of it. We still use not, but it goes after the form of be, used in the passive voice. Take this active voice negative statement. The gardener does not plant the trees. In passive voice, it becomes, the trees are not planted by the gardener. Notice that the object of the active sentence, the trees, becomes the subject of the passive sentence, and we put not after are. Let's look at some more examples to solidify your understanding. Active, I do not play the guitar. Passive, the guitar is not played by me. Active, she does not write the letters. Passive, the letters are not written by her. Active, we did not cook the dinner. Passive, the dinner was not cooked by us. And that's a wrap on forming negative statements in the passive voice. Now you're all set to get out there and start forming your own negative passive sentences. Remember, it's all about switching the object and subject and placing not after be. Thank you for joining us in this grammar journey today. We hope you found this video helpful. Keep practicing, and soon, this will become second nature to you. Happy learning!